Alright guys, welcome back to Hillbillies. Today we're going to be working on our second gen Trans Am. We're starting with the left quarter. We're going to fix the rust around the window. If we have time, we're going to get started on our dent down at the bottom. We may save that for a different video just to kind of keep these things a little shorter than what they had been. So I showed y'all kind of a walk around what was facing on this corner, especially up around the back glass. Of course, we are putting a new roof skin on, so that's going to take care of a lot of this up here. So the main parts we got to focus on is down here along this edge. Alright, so as we talked about, all this is rusted out. It's pretty thin. When I hit it with the wire brush, it just started disintegrating. Maybe you can see right here where the metal's gone. We got metal missing here. This is actually inner structure down here, big pits here. So we're just going to cut this whole piece out. This part up here has just got some pitting. There's no metal missing. And this starts with roof skin. So our new roof skin should come down to about here and take care of all of this. I think all our inner structure is going to be good there. Have to do a little bit on that other side once we get the skin off, but we'll worry about that later. So as I talked about, I had started fabricating up the patch piece for this over here. Basically just took a piece of 18 gauge excuse me, bent it into a 90, and then we took our strinker stretcher and shrunk this edge along through here. That way it pulled this side over, and then we stretched along this so it pulled this side down. Because when you look at this, not only does it curve this way, but it also curves this way. So by doing that, it gets us our patch panel that fits pretty square in where it needs to go. So we're going to get this cut out, get it cleaned up, get some weld through primer put on it, and start getting this piece finished, fitted, and welded in. Alright guys, as you can see, we got all of our old metal cut out. We've got our new piece fit. I've got it sprayed with weld through primer over there. Got this sprayed down, got to let this dry. Punch a few holes in that piece to do our rosette welds along the window seam there, and we'll be ready to start welding it in. Alright guys, we got everything fitted. Weld through, ground everything down, weld through primer on everything. Got our final fitment done here. And we'll still, once this is in place, we'll come back, trim this off, get our corner welded in, and get that blended in and shaped. We're going to get this part welded in, get it secured, and we'll be back.
All we have left to do is put the door bars on and then final welding. So I feel pretty good. Last one. Pretty good sizzle. I got the roll bar all done. I'm confident that it's safe. Steve just wrapped up the drive shaft safety. That is like a retaining strap that goes around the front of the drive shaft so that when the front wheel joint breaks, it doesn't drop the drive shaft on the ground and pull off the car. This is both a safety and performance improvement. We're going to build a dam that comes down to as close to the ground as I can live with. We're going to go shopping in Steve's backyard for sheet metal to build our engine. I've got a bunch of this. Where? Yeah, this could be the frame of it. Okay, here's the derelict hood pile. Oh, that's Fifth Avenue looks perfect. How did you know it's the Fifth Avenue hood? What else is it? Ah, man, yeah. What if we just cut? Oh, this is ideal. Maybe we can even make a rear deck spoiler out of it. Good. Today a hood, soon a spoiler. Air dam. Maybe a trunk spoiler. We're in the middle of making our air dam. I can barely call it that because it's all tiny and cute. This has more suspension.
This event now through March 1st. Shop online or drop by your local dealer today.
Here's the snap.
Hey, Kim! The sign says back on travel prices through Jason. From Freedom Unlimited, you can now earn even more. Book that hotel, Kim, because you are
I am worth it.
5% on travel purchase through Chase. More. Chase, make more, what's yours?
Each year, Americans waste $21 billion by overpaying on car insurance. That's why I went to thezebra.com. Because while every company claims to save you money on car insurance,
Alright guys, there it is. Still got a little finished work to do out. Got a little low spot here, a little low spot up here. We'll go back, fill that in with a little bit of weld, grind it back out. But for the most part, it's all in there and welded up. Just got to finish tweaking things in a little bit. Work on our edge, getting it smoothed out. I got to bring the edge up a little bit right here, a little bit right there. So, and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, there it is. We got our patch made. It's all welded in. Go back and do a little tweaking on it. A little high spot here, low spot there. Kind of tweak some of that stuff like that in, but for the most part it's in and done. I will be doing some videos later on. You know, using a shrinker and stretcher and making patch panels and doing some different stuff like that. So appreciate you joining in. Hit the if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it with your friends. Thanks.